White flashing on Sceptre monitors is a common issue affecting popular models like the E24, C24G, and U27 series. This problem can be frustrating, but most cases can be resolved with immediate troubleshooting steps. The white flashing issue primarily affects Sceptre's E24, C24G, and U27 monitor series. As of 2025, this remains one of the most reported display problems. White flashing stems from four main root causes: signal integrity issues from loose or damaged cables, power supply problems causing voltage fluctuations, graphics driver conflicts, and internal hardware malfunctions. Step 1. Check all video cables thoroughly. Inspect HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA connections for physical damage, looseness, or wear. Ensure your cables meet the bandwidth specifications for high-resolution displays. Step 2. Perform a complete power cycle. Turn off the monitor, disconnect the power cable for at least 30 seconds, then reconnect and power on. This clears temporary glitches in the display controller. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. Check Device Manager for outdated drivers. Download the latest versions from your graphics card manufacturer and restart your computer after installation. Based on 2024 repair data, cable replacement resolves 60% of white flashing issues, driver updates fix 25%, and other solutions account for the remaining 15%. These immediate steps solve most problems without requiring professional repair. If these immediate troubleshooting steps don't resolve your white flashing issue, more advanced diagnostic procedures may be required to identify hardware-related problems. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve white flashing issues, advanced diagnostic methods become essential for identifying the root cause. Signal analysis using an oscilloscope is the gold standard for diagnosing display communication problems. This tool reveals voltage patterns and timing issues that are invisible to basic testing. Thermal assessment using infrared cameras can detect overheating components that cause display instability. Hotspots in power circuits or processing chips often indicate failing hardware. Firmware verification is crucial in modern monitors. Always ensure you have the latest firmware version, as manufacturers regularly release updates to address compatibility and stability issues. Emerging issues in 2024 and 2025 include increased problems with USB-C connectivity and complications with high refresh rate gaming monitors, especially when adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync are enabled. Looking toward the future, monitor diagnostics will incorporate AI-based predictive analysis, enhanced cable standards for better reliability, and cloud-based troubleshooting capabilities for remote support. Sceptre's own data demonstrates the effectiveness of these approaches. Their 2024 firmware updates resulted in a 40% reduction in white flashing complaints, showing how proactive software improvements can significantly enhance monitor reliability.